Navigation. All right, let's get the easy stuff out of the way. So this is the home button. This is the sitemap. This is the list of apps, also known as the interactive table of contents. We'll get to more on that later. This is where you create an account. After you've created an account, submitted your email, and verified your email, this will no longer say sign up/login. It will say accounts, so you'll know that you're logged in, and you can click on that to log out and do other account maintenance. And this is a back button. Let's jump to the interactive table of contents. And so all of these, well, first of all, this is a table of contents, but it's interactive. We'll get to what makes it interactive in a different video. But basically, this is the first chapter, memorizing the notes for the guitar fretboard. This is the free section, the essentials. And then these are various lesson pages. So if we click on one of the lesson pages, that brings us to an individual lesson page. And then navigating between lesson pages, this increments you forward. And this sends you backwards. One more thing about navigation, I'm back here at the home page. And if you scroll down, you'll see click here to start. This actually brings you to the very first lesson page, but it automatically scrolls you down to a start here section where I walk you through some of the basics. And this is probably going to be the very first video in the start here section.